Hello, and welcome to In the Nature with Jess. Today we explore the shores of Timothy Lake, where there is an unusually high population of flotation animals, some ordinary boring American dogs. We also see how humans can have a marginally good time when they interact with the nature. Enjoy.
Welcome to In the Nature with Jess.
Now drink beer. Here we are by the tranquil shores of Timothy Lake. It's a very large population of artificial flotation animals. Swan. A couple turtles over here. Oh, sexy. It's like turtle sexy time over here. Genuine nature.
Oh, pobrecito.
Oh, come here.
Frankie, genuine the Mexican dog. Frankie, Cheeto. Okay, Cheeto, Frankie. Tijuana, TJC. Not Neil, but look at it in its environment. The rare and rainbowy lake unicorn. Swan, don't worry, you're still better. Distinguished in the nature.
Yeah.
How about do a thing? How about do something?
You know the Russians, I think they
He can do something. Because will he do anything? Can you make him do a thing?
Roll over.
Oh,
put a bear,
roll over.
put a bear on it. It's a reindeer beer.
Jess!
What?
I found nature!
Oh my God!
Flowers!
Wow! And beers. Amazing. Okay, here we are by the lake. Walking by the shore. Nice little path. Sweet lake. What's going on? Oh, maybe there's some nature in here. What's going on in here? Oh my God! Oops.
It is only occasionally that the turtles will emerge from their gravelly bed to mate, making the next generation of turtles.
Right next to a sweet inflatable tire. Oh, I think it's the climax. All right. I hope you enjoyed episode 2 of In the Nature with Jess. Timothy Lake is a pretty good place. Could have been better without all these damn dogs around. See you next time.